Pure Credit Repair Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this Pure Credit Repair Review, where I'll share my insights and experiences with this credit repair service. For your convenience, links to Pure Credit Repair are included in the description below. Pure Credit Repair is designed for individuals who want a straightforward and effective approach to improving their credit scores. This service is ideal for people dealing with inaccurate credit report entries, struggling with financial setbacks, or seeking to enhance their credit profile for better financial opportunities. One of the standout features of Pure Credit Repair is its customized credit repair plans. The team begins by conducting a detailed analysis of your credit report, identifying inaccuracies, errors, or unverifiable items that may be negatively impacting your score. From there, they create a tailored strategy to dispute these items with credit bureaus and creditors, ensuring a precise and focused approach to improving your credit. Another key offering is their ongoing credit education and support. Pure Credit Repair provides clients with tools and resources to understand the factors influencing their credit scores, empowering them to make smarter financial decisions in the future. These resources include guides, consultations, and tips on credit utilization, timely payments, and managing debt effectively. Pure Credit Repair also stands out with its transparent pricing model. Unlike some competitors, there are no hidden fees or confusing contracts. You'll know exactly what you're paying for, which creates trust and a sense of accountability throughout the process. Additionally, the service offers regular progress updates. Clients can track the status of disputes and see measurable improvements in their credit reports over time. This ensures a clear understanding of how the process is working and keeps you engaged in the journey. Pure Credit Repair is ideal for anyone looking to take control of their financial future. Whether you're rebuilding your credit after a tough financial period or simply seeking a higher score for a major purchase, this service provides the tools and expertise to help you achieve your goals. If Pure Credit Repair sounds like the solution you need, check out the links in the description and take the first step toward better credit today.